If you're looking to track your iPhone using an Android device, the process might seem a bit tricky since Apple's Find My iPhone service is primarily designed for use within the Apple ecosystem. However, there are effective ways to locate your iPhone even from an Android device. Here's how you can do it. Solution 1. Use the iCloud website. Open a web browser. Go to the iCloud website by entering www.icloud.com in the address bar. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Enter your verification code, which you can send to your phone number. Tap dots right to next to profile. Tap on the Find iPhone option. Once the map loads, select all devices at the top and choose your iPhone from the list. Select your phone. You can now see the location of your iPhone on the map. If your iPhone is nearby, you can use the Place Down option to help locate it. Or you can make it lost. Or you can erase this device. Or you can even remove this device. By following these steps, you should be able to track your iPhone using an Android device effectively. If the issue persists, consider checking if your iPhone is powered on and connected to the internet, as these factors are essential for the tracking process.